Okay guys, welcome back. So let's get started. Let's go up to File, we'll go to New. Now this window opens up. Now we can give this project a name, New Project 1. Now this is the size of the actual Photoshop canvas or the project itself. This is the resolution obviously. So I always work in pixels, but if you are going to print, you can work in inches if you prefer that. Let's go pixels on both. We'll make this 1920 by 1080 because I tend to work with a lot of video stuff, so I just keep it as a high definition width and height. So 1920 by 1080. A resolution of 72 is fine. If you want a higher resolution, let's say you're printing a gigantic banner, then you can go to 300. Color mode RGB. Again, if you are going to print, I would suggest switching to CMYK, but for all web stuff, stick with RGB. Background contents is white, that's fine. Color profile sRGB, that's good, and square pixels. Okay, so that's basically the setup. We can save a preset if we want, and we will go to OK. Now this is what opens up. It automatically created a white background layer, and you'll see over here that it is locked. So the way to unlock that is you hold Alt or Option. So Alt on a PC or Option on a Mac, and you just double click. That releases the layer. Okay, so with this layer selected, you can see that if we go over here with the main selection tool selected, we can click and drag this wherever we want, and it's the same size as our project canvas. So if you drag it all the way up, you'll see that it auto snaps, and you'll see by the lines that show up that this is now back into its original position. Okay, so now that we have this HD project set up, if we wanted to work, for example, in a larger resolution such as 4K, we can do that by going to File, New, and then altering this, which will make a new project. Or we can go to Image, Canvas Size, change this to pixels, and then put in what we want. So in this case, we'll do 3840 by 2160. We'll click OK.